Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one is the new and latest Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So in case you missed my pre-order video, I pre-ordered this phone with the AT&T with a 36-month contract or payment plan, about $8.30 something each month. So at first I was thinking about trading in my Samsung S23 Ultra, and both of them equal the same amount of trading, about $1,000. So why not trade in my Samsung Note 4, which is almost a decade old. So I still have the original screen protector on there, and also the protective case with the kickstand. And I also have the original stylus. So you gotta make sure your phone powers on and everything, because they're gonna ask you if it's working order or not. So I click on yes. So it's gonna be $1,000 trading credit. Normally you get a trading credit about like a second or the third month. With the AT&T, normally they charge you like a original price, I think about $33 a month. But you're gonna get those credit back around like the second or the third month of billing cycle. So yeah, anyway, this video is not sponsored by this company, so we are going to unbox it and show you guys the phone. And this is the titanium black colorway. is the SIM card tray. And this is the stylus right here. Charging cable. SIM card eject tool. So it shows you guys insert the pin eject tool right here, not right here, because the left side is a microphone hole. Make sure you don't insert to the microphone hole. And right here, in the mid section is the eject tool right here, and then on the right hand side, this is the SIM card tray right here. Okay. And the new SIM cards are sitting on the bottom right here. You see there are two holes right here. It's a microphone here and SIM card eject tool to insert right here. Make sure you get the correct hole. So the SIM card will sit over here. As you can see, the SIM card cut out right there on the corner. The SIM card only fit one way, so you cannot make any mistakes. And there's a rubber seal right here around the SIM card tray. So they come with a pre-written shipping label, and then this package to pack it, put your old phone in there. Okay, so you gotta put this phone on the opposite side, and then there's like a insert, you put it in there, so it doesn't break your phone. And they also come with the tape. You're gonna put the tape, remove the tape, and then a shipping label. After you put the phone in there, you're gonna package, and then put the tape back up and put the return shipping label on top here or over your old shipping label to return your old phone and get your $1,000 credit. Okay. Anyway, this is the unboxing video. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one like always. Peace.